Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys new here and you are watching me for the very first time, hi, this is Reushi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video it's another hashtag real review video. You guys know that review video and DIY video is like one of my most favorite video, and you guys also love to see my reviews. And when it comes to review video, I am like very honest. By the way, this video is absolutely a non-sponsored video. I love to use new products for my skin and my hair, and if I like it or if I don't like it, I love to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so today the product which I'm going to reviewing is a hair product, and it's an hair oil for basically the intense repair for your hair. So the product which I'm going to talk about, show you the demo and show you the review, is this Wow Amla hair oil, and this is 100 ml. You can see that it's like a basic oil packaging in it, and it has like a two kind of applicators. So first, the thing is that you can totally open it like this. इसको थोड़ा bowl में लो and you can apply it on all over your scalp, and if you want you can apply it on your hair too. I personally love to apply hair oil on scalp and also the strength पे भी I love to use it because my strength gets very dry. But like this portion तो बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है, and I think it's like everyone's problem, not like me. And second, like इसमें थोड़ा सा waste होता ही है क्योंकि bowl पे थोड़ा oil रह ही जाता है which you can't use. So it has like a second applicator which is this. You just open it and this is the applicator. Just इसको ऐसे लगा लो, and this is like very helpful. I love to use it like this, and section your hair and apply directly on your scalp. When I will show you the application, I will share with you. Okay, so now let me talk about the ingredients. So it has 99.9% plant derived oil. It has amla extract, and it has like a rich source of vitamin C and all other nutrients which is actually good for your hair. And for vitamin C, it has lemon essential oil in it, which is actually the basic source of vitamin C. And also it has lots of cold pressed oil, and if you guys don't know, cold pressed oil is really very good for your hair. Normal coconut oil से अगर आप cold pressed coconut oil इस्तेमाल करते हो, so that is really very helpful. Like that will give you like double benefit. And it has lots of cold pressed oil like sweet almond oil, Moroccan oil, olive oil, and coconut oil, castor oil, vitamin E, minerals, and lots of other nutrition it has in it. And as it has lots of like cold pressed oil, so it will help you to give you like a beautiful soft hair, and it also help to remove the itchy scalp. Generally गर्मियों में बहुत सारे itchiness होता है scalp पे, so that actually helps to remove. And also it helps to prevent the breakage from your split ends because it has like it has castor oil which actually helps to promote hair growth. It has sweet almond oil, it has Moroccan oil. They are actually help to soft your hair, and that's why जो split ends होता है उसको जो like जो breakage होता है उसको remove करने में मदद करते हैं. Like that actually prevent breakage and removing because they are meant to softening your hair. And also you guys know that amla is one of the main ingredients when it comes to your hair product. And also amla has one more property, that amla actually helps you to give you like a black hair. Like if you are suffering from gray hair, so I think that will also help you, because I am not sure about that. I think because amla, generally amla का जो juice होता है, that actually helps you to give a blacky finish on your hair. And it's absolutely non-sticky, non-greasy. When you apply it on your hair, you can't even feel that you have applied hair oil. Like I have a problem with a headache. Like बहुत ज़्यादा अगर heavy hair oil होता है या फिर hair oil से बहुत ज़्यादा smell आता है, I can't tolerate that. I have a headache problem. This oil is really very non-sticky and non-greasy. Like हम लोग अगर जब oiling करते हैं तो if we sleep, तो जो हम लोगों की जो cushion होता है उसमें oil transfer होता ही है. But trust me, after applying this oil next day when you woke up, you can't smell that greasy oiliness from your cushion, and that I love the most. And and also you can use it on your hair also. I love to use it on my hair because it has lots of cold pressed oil which actually helps me to nourish my hair, and that's why I love to use it. And it's preferable if you use it at night. सुबह अभी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, leave it for 1 hour, then you can take shower. But when it comes to hair product, hair serum हो, hair oil हो, always try to use it at night, and I personally love to use it at night. Talk about the benefits of this product. This will promote hair growth because it has castor oil, which is one of the most important oil when it comes to hair growth. And also it will prevent like a itchy scalp. Like अगर आपके scalp बहुत ज़्यादा itchy है, it will also prevent that. It will prevent from all the dandruff, itchiness and all the scalp infection because it has like Moroccan oil and it has cold press sweet almond oil, and they are actually helps to prevent all the itchiness, and they are also helps you to give you like a soft and very silky smooth hair. And I am constantly using it, and you can see that when I am doing this, my like जो मेरा finger है वो कहीं पर रुक नहीं रहा है just because of this oil. And trust me guys, this oil helps me a lot. I will come to that point. And can you see the shine of my hair? Okay, so now I'm going to show you the application, and while showing application I will tell you some important points. So now it times for application. Okay, you can see that it has like a applicator which actually helps you to use this oil very quickly and easily. You just need to section your hair like it and apply directly on your scalp and massage it. And also wow, all products are cruelty free, sulfate free. They have no silicone, no sulfate, no artificial color, and they actually disclose all the percentage, and that I love the most. And they are all products are made in India. They are all products are का जो ingredients है they are from India, and they are all products are created with natural ingredients that are safe for your skin and hair. And the best part of which I love the most is that they are water which they have used, they are actually from Himalaya stream, which I have told you on my earlier video also. And also that the thing which I love the most, and I have told you earlier also, that their workers contains 80% of women. Like, can you believe it? Like, they are successfully running this brand with lots of goodness of this thing, and also they have like 80% of women. So that is the best thing. Like, I am a woman, so of course that is the best thing for me. And now they are like recycling 30% of previous packages, and that is also very very eco-friendly. Every product पे आपको ऐसे QR कोड मिलेगा. अगर प्रोडक्ट पे नहीं है, so you can look your packet, वहाँ पर तो होगा ही. Like, look at this. अगर प्रोडक्ट पे नहीं है तो पैकेजिंग पे होगा. So what is the benefit of this QR code is that अगर आप एप्लीकेशन पे जाके इसको स्कैन करते हो, तो एप्लीकेशन will show you that this product is authentic or not. So every time when you scan it, next परचेस पे आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. सो डेफिनेटली स्कैन द QR कोड, not only for authentication and also for the discount.
They have their own application also where from where you can shop all of your favorite things, and you just need to type what you need, face wash or face serum, anything you want, just type it, search it, and you will get all the options, and choose according to your mood, according to your choice, according to your skin type. You can see all the offers also. Just add to cart and just check out, just give your address, phone number, and yeah, it's very simple. Rather than searching product from website, you can also buy their products from website, but it's better to use their application because they are really very 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 useful. And the best part is that you can see all the offers and benefits also, because सब कुछ description पे लिखा हुआ होता है. So yeah, it's very simple and user friendly.
So okay, so when you are going to use it for first time, like first 1 to 2 days, you can feel a little bit of hair loss. Like ज़्यादा hair loss previous like time से आपको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा hair loss I think हो सकता है, which has happened with me. Like first 2 days पे I have seen like my hair is falling like little bit than earlier, so I was like very worried about that. But after like 2 days, like when it comes to the 3rd day, like miraculously I can see that after oiling my hair, when I was brushing my hair, generally oiling करने के बाद मैं hair को उल्टा करके मैं brush करती हूँ, that actually helps to promote the hair growth. 3rd day पे when I was doing it, I was like, I can count the hair fall, okay? So I can remember that 3rd day pe I had like only 15 hair fall. small, which is like very small, and I was very surprised. So the thing which I have noticed is that you have to use it constantly. If you think that it started working on my hair, and if you stop and use some other oil, you can you can lose little bit of hair again. So it's better if you continue to use this oil for at least 1 to 2 months, because your hair needs to like used to with this product, and use it until your hair gets immune to that product. So yeah, that's it for today's review video. Hope you have liked it, and if you want me to do more review video, and if you want me to do any specific product review video, comment down below. Yeah, see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay positive. Bye bye.